Hi, it's Kong, and then let me share with you 11 effective tips to handle your order fulfillment in Lazada. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, Lazada certified trainer and an e-commerce coach. So I've helped thousands of my students, and especially those who have really want to start out, even those already in business or who wants to grow their business online, to grow and to scale up their online business in Lazada and Shopee. So for those who want me to help you to increase your sales, to grow your business online, you can click to contact me. So the contact is below in the description box. Come, let's move on to the video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can handle order fulfillment in Lazada in the best way, and how following a good process of fulfilling your orders will help you in growing your business in Lazada. So all this order fulfillment, right, is a process of when your customer buys and you receive the order in your Lazada Seller Center, you pack them and you hand it over to the delivery provider. So number one is you need to process your order. Number two is you need to pick and pack within 2 to 3 working days. And number three, you need to hand over to the courier provider. So to ensure that you fulfill your orders properly and to deliver them to your customers through Lazada without any delay, I recommend you to follow this best practices for your fulfillment process. So in your Lazada Seller Center, you go to orders and then you can click on your orders to press print all. So this will print your invoice and also your every bill and also your pick list. Okay, so once you print, you can start packing your products that you have in your store. So after you pack the products, you go back from the same order number and you can press arrange shipment. So once you press, if you are a pickup, the lorry will come and pick up, then the legs will come and pick up. If not, you have to drop it off in Lazada service partners like MBE Center. Okay, you need to take note of how much time you need to fulfill your orders. Okay, from the time the customer give the orders to Lazada and paid, then you can see in your Lazada Seller Center under orders tab the customer that has paid. Okay, and each order there's a time frame for you to ship out this item to your customers. Normally, it takes around 2 to 3 working days. So the SLA indicate how much time you have to hand over your parcel to the Lazada delivery partners, for example, like MBE. So number 3, to make sure that you process the most urgent orders first and adhere to the expected SLA for your orders so that you don't get a late shipment percentage. So number 4, you need to print the stock checklist and the shipping labels and every bills. Pick the correct items and pack it properly, safely, and to ship out the item. Number 5, ready to ship, which is arrange shipment. So you need to click on that so that that Lazada knows that you already packed your item and you can pass it on to your delivery partner, especially the MBE service center. So when you click on ready to ship is RTS or orange shipment, means that you inform the system that you already packed the item, so it's complete and it's ready to pass on to be delivered to the customer. You really need to ensure that all your parcels are packed safely, and Lazada delivery partners at the point of handover to the Lazada delivery partners in the warehouse is safe. Okay, so number 6, remember your fulfillment performance is based on the successful handover of packages to the delivery partners, okay, using the time scan of the scanning. So everything is online now, they can track. Okay, and number 7, for sellers on drop off, hand over your parcels at the drop off point. Okay, for example, MBE mailbox center, that is the nearest and most convenient to you. Okay, they will scan your package there. So number 8, for sellers on pickup, for example, Lex Express, okay, Lazada will get somebody to pick up from your item from you. Okay, around if you then you don't need to travel so much. Okay, Lazada delivery partners en route will have a good delivery system and will safely deliver your packages to your customer. Okay, and number 9, remember, in order to avoid delay on delivery, you must fulfill the orders, okay, within the expected ship out time SLA. Okay, so don't delay, okay, don't put a fake ship out time. Okay, and number 10, always follow a good fulfillment process by processing your orders in a good way, okay, systematically, okay, don't cincai, okay, don't kelam kabut, okay, whatever, all orders need to be processed. Okay, and number 11, always organize your stocks, your stock system, and your warehouse, so that, okay, that your staff or you will have very easily fulfill and pack your packages. So everything needs to be systemized, then it'll be easy. So all these tips, okay, please avoid any chance of the cancellation, so that you will get more sales and ensure your commitment to get a timely delivery to your customers, so that they will be very, very satisfied. Take note, a good and efficient order fulfillment, okay, really can boost your customer satisfaction and will increase your seller rating, okay, if you fast to ship out and save to your customers. So that's all for me now. Kong, your friendly e-commerce coach, right? If you have any inquiries, remember to contact me. The link is below, and like and subscribe to this YouTube video.